Righty or lefty? I am a righty. I sign right-handed with my right hand. If you are left-handed, that's fine. You should just mirror for finger spelling. It doesn't matter if perceptibly you think the letters look one way. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Z. So it's important not whether it's your right or left hand. What's important is that you're sort of mirroring that symmetrical line. Whether the sign points inward or outward, that's what's important. So Z goes out, in, out. Or L, the thumb points in. You don't have to turn it around. Just like this.